Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage date and time settings on Microsoft Surface 5. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, then open Time and the language, go for date and time, and right here we have all of the options regarding time and date. First one is set time automatically. You can enable or disable it, and when it's disabled it allows you to set your date and time manually. But be careful, because when you change your date and time and it doesn't match the one on any other network server, you won't be able to use that for example website. So if we change our year to 2021 and it's 2024, we won't be able to for example open YouTube page. And let me change that actually, because I plan to make other video in the future with that. Then there's the adjust for daylight saving time automatically, which you can enable or disable. Then there's the time zone. You can switch your time zone right here. And on the bottom we can synchronize our time, and we can also show additional calendars in the taskbar, but that's kinda not the point of this video. And that is basically how you can manage your date and time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.